Hey everyone, Paul Clifford here. I have gotten some questions about my new ProPresenter keyboard skin, so I thought that I'd take a minute and answer some of them. First question I get probably the most often is, what keyboard does it work for? So while it can be altered to work for a variety of the Apple keyboards, the one I designed it for is the Magic Keyboard. Here, let me see so if you look on the side of the screen, you see the arrow keys. See how the left and right arrow keys are full-size keys and the up and down are half-size keys? That is a mark of the Magic Keyboard. You'll also notice, if I can do this, that it has a lightning port on the back because it's a rechargeable keyboard. That is the one I designed it for, but I also have one of these, and this is actually what I was using before I started this process, so if you're worried about buying a new keyboard, I'm there with you. I did it too. This is the one I was using, just the wireless keyboard, and you'll notice that its arrow keys are half size. The up and down arrows are the same size as the left and right. So this one, you can modify it to make it work with this one, but it's really designed to work with the other one. The one with the number keys, you have to do some more modification. Most of the keys are the same size, but this time it's basically the right command, the right option, and the arrow keys that are kind of in a different place on that one. So those are the three keyboards that are most likely, if they're external keyboards, if they're from Apple and recent, that you would run into. So the answer is, it works for the Magic Keyboard. It can be modified for the others, and we'll talk about that again a little bit later. Now, the second question, Greg Troxler asked in one of the groups. Let me just read his question. I wish you the best with IndieGoGo, but how is your product different from the ProPresenter, Pro Tools, and the like? I have After Effects keyboard stickers already on eBay and other venues. Well, Greg, let me show you the difference between a keyboard skin. And here is my keyboard, and here is not the ProPresenter keyboard skin, but it's a keyboard skin, and it is on there already. See, it's on there. Black keys, white keys, it's off. Yeah, it's just one solid piece here, and it's not sticky at all, so I can put it on, take it off, no residue, nothing like that. I can squish it up, put it in my pocket if I wanted to, let it go, and there you go. So that's the difference between stickers and a keyboard skin like this. It's molded for the keyboard. You could cut it if you wanted to, which is one way to alter it for other keyboards, but that's the difference. Also, I did a search on eBay and had trouble finding one for ProPresenter. I'm not saying they don't exist, but I haven't found keyboard stickers for ProPresenter. So as far as I know right now, there is nothing on the market for ProPresenter specifically. After Effects, sure. Pro Tools, no problem. Final Cut Pro, have one myself right here. Photoshop, good to go. ProPresenter, not so much. So that's another distinctive between the two. So that's why I decided to design the keyboard skin. Could have gone with stickers, but I find them difficult to get on straight. I once did an entire keyboard with Final Cut Pro stickers. Took me forever, and they kept coming off. So something else for you to consider. Andy Blackham, and I think that I'm saying that correctly because of his question, he says, Paul, I was checking it out a minute ago and I'd like two, but I'm in the UK. Can we sort out postage later? Yeah, we can figure that out. Right now, I just put it on for the US because I didn't know how to do stickers, but didn't know how to do the postage. But not only do I have the keyboard skin, I also still have the wrapper that this particular one that I ordered for just figuring out how to do this sort of thing. I have that, so I'm going to take it to the post office and say, hey, how much to send this to England? And then we'll go from there. Don't need exact numbers, of course, but, you know, give or take. If I know a little bit, then I know, oh, well, I'll just throw in the free shipping like I would for someone in the US, or, oh, it'll be just a little bit extra. So that's something else. So if you're from another country, please let me know and I'll try and figure out how much it would be to ship it, if it would be cost prohibitive or anything like that. I kind of doubt it, although it might be a little slower to get there. So those are all the questions I have right now on the ProPresenter keyboard skin. Hope that you like it. If you want to share the IndieGoGo link, go to TDM.fyi/pro6 skin. TDM.fyi/pro6 skin will take you there, and I'll leave a link below the video. Hope that helps you, and keep watching the IndieGoGo campaign in my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Paul Clifford, and you can watch the progress as we go. We've already got, I want to say 14 or 15 backers. We've got more keyboard skins sold than that, and I've got kind of a low goal. This isn't a $100,000 launch, it's just a few thousand. So hopefully we'll get all this working so I can make an order to the factory and get them all shipped out. Thanks a lot. See you later.